Alright, hi dancers. Here is a fun hip hop exercise. We're going to do head to toe isolations. And isolation in hip hop is when you move just one part of your body. So we're going to start head to toe. I'm going to start with my head looking up and down. Up and down, up and down. Two more. Up, down, up, down. Now I'm going to look side to side. Side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. Now I'm going to do my shoulders. I'm going to do just one shoulder first. Pop, pop, pop. I'm just moving one shoulder. Everything else is not moving. Now I'm going to switch and do the other shoulder. Pop, 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 pop. Now I'm going to do both shoulders. I'm going to alternate popping up and down, up and down, up and down. So I like to imagine that I have a bouncy ball from one shoulder to the other. Pop, pop, pop. Trying to pop it from one shoulder to the other. Now we're moving down. Now I'm going to do my chest. I'm going to pretend I'm Superman. I'm going to push it all the way to the front and pretending I'm Superman. I'm going to push it to the side like I'm going, what? Then I'm going to back it up. Whew. I'm going to cave in like I'm getting out of somebody's way. Then I'm going to push it to the side. Then I'm going to do Superman again to the front, to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front. Now we're going to smooth it out and make it a circle. I'm going to go around and around and around. So don't worry, sometimes this takes a little bit of practice, getting used to moving just one part of your body, but the more you do it, the easier it'll get. So now I'm going to do my hips. That's going to be our last one. I'm going to pretend that I have a very fancy buckle on. I'm going to push it to the front, showing someone a very fancy buckle. I'm going to push my hip to the side, then to the back, to the side, to the front. Let's do it again. To the front, to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front. So now we're going to make it a smooth circle. I'm going to go around and around. So this should feel familiar if you've ever played with a hula hoop. You're going to move those hips around like you're trying to move a hula hoop. Around and around. Alrighty dancers, so go ahead and practice those. Like I said, sometimes isolations can be a little tricky, but the more you practice it, it'll become a lot easier. Alrighty dancers.